Hey guys, this is Danielle here with the Appleton Byrider. I wanted to hop on real quick and just remind you of the benefits that we have here at Byrider. So we here at Byrider do specialize in assisting people who have credit challenges get into a vehicle and establish or rebuild their credit. We keep these payments at an affordable rate so that way all of our customers can afford their payments, they can graduate from our program, and they can move on to the next stages of their lives going to a traditional car dealership. All the vehicles that we have here are used, so we have a service department right here in store so that way you can have your car or your vehicle serviced right in store. And we are able to help people build credit from all stages of their lives. I've been able to get people into a vehicle who have just graduated from high school and going into college. And I've also helped people who are just moving into Wisconsin and they're just settling in or even transitioning into a new part of their career. And it's amazing watching these people go into and from work in a vehicle that they absolutely love. Now we are a buy here, pay here dealership as well. So I get to see my customers come in twice, even sometimes even 3 times a month, and I get to check in on them and see if they're still enjoying their vehicle, if they have any problems with it. I can direct them to the service department, but I've seen a lot of happy customers with their vehicles that they purchase here. So these are some of the benefits that we do have here at Byrider. We are more than happy to help you establish or rebuild your credit, and we're more than happy to get you into a vehicle that you absolutely love as well. Give us a call or check us out at our store location. Our phone number here is 920-749-7979, and we are located 2301 West College Avenue in Appleton, Wisconsin, 54914, right next to the melting pot, if that means anything to you guys. Thank you so much for stopping by, and I'll see you guys next time.